family members in Igbo language. Family is called ezinaulo. Ezinaulo. That's family. So your father is nna. Nna. Mother is nne. Nne. So your parents are called nne na nna. Nne na nna. Nne na nna. Nne na. Husband is called di. 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 Wife is called unye. Unye. Son. Son is called nwa nwoke. Nwa nwoke. Daughter is called nwa nwaanyị. Nwa nwaanyị. A child is called nwa. Nwa. Yeah, that's when it's one. Nwa. Then children is called ụmụaka. Ụmụaka. Your brother is called nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. Your sister is called nwanne nwaanyị. Nwanne nwaanyị. Your siblings are called ụmụnne. Ụmụnne. And your grandfather is called nna ochie. Nna ochie. Your grandmother is called nne ochie. Nne ochie. Then the grandparents are called nne na nna ochie. Ndị nne na nna ochie. Uncle are called nwanne nwoke nna maọbụ nwanne nwoke nne. Then your cousin is called nwanne. Nwanne. Your nephew is nwa nwoke nwanne gị. Then your niece is nwa nwaanyị nwanne gị. Thank you for watching this video. Please drop down in the comment section anything that you want me to teach you. Drop it in the comment section. Suoigbo TV got you covered. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.